Mastering the art of staying up all night. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you've probably heard or even used. Stay up all night. This expression is widely used in the English language, and understanding it can add a fun and useful element to your conversational skills. So, let's explore what it means to stay up all night, why people do it, and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English conversations. Stay up all night refers to the act of not going to sleep at all during the night. It means keeping awake through the hours when one is usually expected to sleep, typically from late evening until morning. This phrase can be used literally, to describe the physical act of remaining awake, or figuratively, to express the idea of engaging in an activity that consumes a significant amount of time and attention, possibly leading to losing track of time. There are various reasons why someone might stay up all night. Here are a few common ones. Studying for exams or completing important projects. Many students pull all-nighters to prepare for tests or meet deadlines. Attending or hosting parties, social events, especially those celebrating special occasions, can go on until the early hours of the morning. Work demands. People with tight deadlines or night shifts may find themselves working through the night. Binge watching a TV series or engaging in leisure activities that are so captivating, they can't help but lose track of time. Staying up all night can have both positive and negative impacts. On the positive side, it can be a memorable experience, especially if spent with friends or accomplishing something meaningful. However, it's important to be aware of the potential negatives, such as feeling tired or irritable the next day, and the impact on one's health and sleep patterns if done frequently. You can use stay up all night in various contexts in English conversations. For example, I had to stay up all night to finish my essay. We stayed up all night talking and watching movies. It was so much fun. This phrase is versatile and conveys a sense of dedication or intensity, whether it's about work, study, or enjoyment. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, stay up all night. Whether it's for studying, working, or just having fun, staying up all night is a common experience that many share. Remember, though, balance is key, and taking care of your health is always important. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos to improve your English. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.